Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for July 5th of 2025 is titled Ou4, the giant Squid Nebula. So what do we see here? Well, this is a nebula, and actually a recently discovered one. So you'd think something as large as this, which is about 3 full moons across in the sky, would be easy to see. But it actually wasn't detected until 2011. And so we've only known about it for less than 15 years now. And it's a very interesting object in that we see that it's bipolar. It's got two regions going out, up toward the upper left and again toward the lower right. Now, there's two nebulae here. We see the blue color, which is caused by oxygen atoms, and not just ordinary oxygen atoms, but oxygen atoms that have been ionized twice, meaning that they've had 2 electrons ripped off of them. So this type of oxygen, quite common in very hot areas where there's enough energy to ionize the gases around there and strip electrons off of the oxygen. So the blue there highlights that and shows that specific region. The red, as we're used to seeing, is the red from hydrogen gas. When hydrogen gas is ionized, it loses its only electron and then will glow red as it recombines, and the same kind of thing happens with the blue that we're seeing there. Now, one of the big questions has been is whether these two nebulae are actually related to one another. Meaning, are they really about the same distance away? Now, distances in astronomy are notoriously hard to measure. We can get an estimate, but to get an accurate distance, you could easily be off at this distance by hundreds of light years. So they could be together or they could be hundreds of light years apart. Some recent investigations tend to show that, yeah, they are actually part of the same nebula. And that gives us a distance measured for the other nebula of about a little over 2,000 light years away. In that case, this is actually the outflow of material from a triple star system at the center, and that is 3 very hot stars located at the central area there. Many of these very hot stars, extremely energetic, and push out a lot of material. And when there are areas where it's a little bit less dense, that allows the material to flow in one area. So often we get jets of material and lobes, kind of as we see here, simply because it is a lot easier for the material to flow in one direction than it is to flow in the other. And that gives us the kind of patterns that we see here today. Now, if we think about that, our giant squid here, then, at that distance, would be over 50 light years across. So that was our picture of the day for July 5th of 2025. It was titled Ou4, the giant Squid Nebula. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be North Pole of Mars. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.